everybody, Awesome Q here, and today I'm going to be putting lube in a fidget spinner. So, as you know, you put lube in a cube, makes it turn faster and smoother. So, yeah. So what I'm going to try to do is see what it does when I put it inside of a fidget spinner. So, let's pop up the cap. Okay, there you go. So, I think I actually might need one cap on so it won't fall all through. Okay, so put one drop of lube into here. Okay, let's put that in there. Put some more. Okay, now pop on the cap again. Wow, it's a total difference in feel. It feels so much smoother and it's super quiet. Like, compare this to another fidget spinner. So, here I have another fidget spinner. This is that one. And this is this one. Completely silent. Absolutely no sound at all. It's super smooth. Yeah, this is great. So, this makes the fidget spinner way better. So, if you ever have any extra Rubik's Cube lube, you can put it in there and it'll change it and make a humongous difference. So, there you go. Putting moyu lube into a fidget spinner.